Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
while Delhiites got respite from the scorching heat with heavy downpours, in a shocking incident, one person was killed and 6 others injured after a portion of the roof of Delhi Airport Terminal 1 collapsed on cars amid heavy rain this week. All flights from Terminal 1 of the Indira Gandhi International Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world, were cancelled. Officials said the roof sheet and the support beams collapsed, damaging 4 cars parked in the pickup and drop area of the terminal. Following the incident, a political slugfest was seen as Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge blamed corruption and criminal negligence for the incident at Terminal 1. Refuting Congress's claim that the portion that collapsed was inaugurated by PM Modi on March 10th, BJP's Amit Malviya stated that the part of T1 that collapsed was opened in 2009 during the Congress-led UPA's tenure. Democratic President Joe Biden and his Republican challenger Donald Trump had a face-off in the first presidential debate 5 months ahead of the 2024 US elections, providing voters with a unique opportunity to see the two oldest presidential candidates in US's history side by side. 78-year-old Trump appeared forceful and energetic, while 81-year-old Biden spoke in a hoarse voice and coughed regularly. Both candidates blamed each other for inflation, the top issue for voters. Biden accused Trump of leaving a terrible economy, while Trump called Biden's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic a disaster. Polls show voters favor Trump's handling of the economy over Biden's. The debate highlighted the stark differences between the two candidates, with each trying to appeal to voters amid a heated political climate. 3 times BJP MP Om Birla was re-elected as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha for the second consecutive term on Wednesday, winning the election by a voice vote as the NDA candidate. The election marked a rare moment of unity between the Treasury and opposition benches, highlighted by the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, extending congratulations to Birla and shaking hands with PM Modi. Amidst applause from the House, Prime Minister Modi, Leader of the Opposition, Rahul Gandhi, and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju escorted Om Birla to the Speaker's chair. Prime Minister Modi praised Birla's affable nature. While congratulating the Speaker, opposition leaders emphasized the importance of allowing their voices to be heard in Parliament, asserting that silencing the opposition undermines democratic principles. The election for the Lok Sabha Speaker, only the third such election post-independence, followed a contest initiated by the Congress which nominated its 8-time MP K. Suresh. However, Om Birla garnered significant support with 297 MPs backing him compared to 232 for the opposition candidate. Vicky Kaushal star a Bad News trailer dropped this week, and fans are excited to watch him on screen with Tripti Dimri and Amy Virk for the first time. The film comes from the makers of Good News, which featured Akshay Kumar, Kareena Kapoor, Kiara Advani and Diljit Dosanjh, and promises the same fun and emotional journey. With Vicky Kaushal, Tripti Dimri and Amy Virk in the mix, the film promises to be packed with comedy and even scenes that will leave you teary-eyed. The film is set to hit the big screens on July 19, 2024. Star Australia batter Travis Head removed India's Suryakumar Yadav and secured the top spot in the latest men's T20 international player ranking. The India right-handed batter Suryakumar stayed on the top spot of the men's T20 international player ranking since December 2023. But Head's performance in the ongoing T20 World Cup helped him secure the number 1 spot. The Aussie opener Travis Head played a 76-run knock against India in their last Super 8 matches of the T20 World Cup. However, Head's efforts went in vain as Australia conceded a 24-run defeat to India. India's Suryakumar Yadav, England's Phil Salt, Pakistan's Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan all dropped down a place to make up the remainder of the top 5 in the men's T20 international player rankings.